Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on today's episode of iOS device help, I will be showing you guys some few tips and tricks in iOS devices. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so in the first trick, I would like to teach you the new jiggle mode that has been added to the new iOS 14 update. Alright, so before you can do this, you have to tap and hold on an empty space on your device. Alright, so as you can see, I tapped and hold on this empty device, on this empty place, and the apps started jiggling. Alright, so the first trick I want to teach you in the jiggle mode is you can select multiple apps you want to delete or you want to move into a folder by doing it this way. Alright, so you will tap and hold this app as I have done here. Alright, then you tap on the other apps you want to add to it. Alright, so you see they are all added up here. Alright guys, as you see on the screen. So if you want to delete all of them or move all of them to a new folder, that is the way you can do it. You can do this. Alright, so on our previous iOS versions, we were selecting them one after the other, but on this new iOS 14 update, you can select them multiple and put them in the folder you want to put them. Alright guys, so this is the first jiggle mode trick I want to teach you guys. You might wonder to hide one of your pages that you don't use a lot. Alright, so on this jiggle mode, you just tap here, and it will give you all the pages on your home screen. Alright, so here the pages are 4, so you can decide to hide one of the pages you don't normally use by tapping here to hide it. As you can see on the screen, I'm hiding all of them. Alright, so you can do this to hide all the pages you don't normally use and you don't want others to see. After that, you can click on the done button on the top right corner here, and this will take you back to the jiggle mode. And if you want to exit the jiggle mode, you also tap on an empty space on the screen and this jiggle mode will be exited. Alright, this is the first trick I want to show you, so let's move on to the other trick. Alright guys, so on the second trick, you can send a voice message to a friend without even opening the messaging app. You just call on Siri and Siri will do that job for you. This trick is meant for the lazy ones. Alright, so you just call on Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Can you send a voice message to Patek?
Okay, recording.
Alright, so as you can see, Siri is recording it. So you just say whatever you want to say and then you stop talking. Siri will ask you whether it should send it or not.
Great. Send it to Patek.
You see, Siri is asking me whether to send it. So you just click on this send button here.
Okay, it's sent.
Then Siri will tell you that your message is sent without even opening the messaging app. Alright, so this is the second trick I want to show you. So let's move on to the third trick. Alright guys, so this is the third trick, and on the third trick I'll be talking about the new features added to the Safari app. Alright, so you might be wondering to close all these tabs in your Safari browser. You can choose to do it one after the other, but you might feel lazy, so you just click on the done button at the bottom right corner of your screen, tap and hold it, then click on this option, close all 18 tabs, and this will automatically close all the tabs you have here. Or after closing all the tabs, you might be wondering to get another tab you close that might be useful to you, so you just tap and hold the plus button here. Alright, so you tap and hold the plus button and you see all your recent closed tabs. Alright, so you can choose a tab you closed recently from here to go back to it. Alright, so this is the second trick in the Safari, and you might be on a page like this with plenty of messages or plenty of information you need, but you might be wanting to get to the bottom of the screen to read the last part of it. So you just hold on this bar right here, then you scroll it down. This is really fast and easy to use. You just hold it, and whilst you are at the bottom of the screen and you want to go back to the top, you can choose to use the first method I chose, or you can either use the second method by double tapping this side or this side, and it will take you straight up to the first or the top of the screen. As you can see, it took me right to the top of the screen or the tab, or either this side, and you are there. Alright guys, this is all for today, and please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and share this video. Stay safe.